Hello students, let me show you how to find and read your rubric from the assignments page or a discussion page. So first, from the assignments example, I have a text assignment here. Write about your name, what does it mean? And I click on this. And now I am in my assignment page and my rubric is at the bottom here. So here we have our criteria. It describes what your answers must be. Example, number 1, student's full name. I need my full name. Where is he or she from? And the meaning of their name. So I need these 3 answers. That's a description of my answers. And here I have my ratings. 3 points, full marks, you wrote 3 answers. 2 points, partial marks, wrote 2 answers. 1 point, partial mark, you wrote 1 answer. And 0 points, no marks for no submission. Total points 3 here, total points, and that is how you read the rubric. Criteria, ratings, and your total points here. Now if you are in a discussion, you have to find the rubric by looking at the top corner. So example, I'm in my discussion 1.3b, discussion introduction, so the rubric is here. I click on these 3 dots and I click on show rubric. So here's my rubric here. Different criteria, I have initial comments, reply message, quality and quantity, etiquette and contribution, and these are worth 5 points each. Here are the descriptions here in the ratings. Okay? So this is how you find your rubric in your discussion page and in your assignment pages. I hope this helps you.